Uh, Dear 12th class students, uh, last time the chapter was human health and diseases. That was first topic 5 days back that I was teaching you infectious diseases. Last infectious disease was typhoid. This time, uh, different infectious diseases in front of you. Class 12th, the chapter is human health and diseases. The first disease, big disease, that is pneumonia. Pneumonia is a big disease in your syllabus. What are the causative agents or bacteria responsible for pneumonia? Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae are the bacteria which are responsible for pneumonia. Pneumonia is a dreadful disease if not treated properly. Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae are the bacteria responsible for pneumonia. What are the symptoms of the pneumonia? Chills, fever, and headache, and respiratory infection. In this disease, the alveoli of the lungs get affected, and there is respiratory disease. Uh, Alveoli gets filled with fluid, and there is severe respiratory infection. This is about pneumonia. Next disease, that is another disease, that is common cold. Common cold is another infectious disease which is transmitted from ill person to healthy person. Which viruses are responsible for common cold? Rhinoviruses. Rhinoviruses are group of viruses that are responsible for common cold. What are the symptoms of the common cold? Nasal discharge and congestion, sore throat, hoarseness, tiredness, and some chills. These are the symptoms of the common cold, and infection lasts from 3 to 4 days. This is about the common cold. Healthy person is inhaling droplets or aerosols from infected person, and healthy person gets infection, that is common cold. Another dreadful disease, that is malaria. Malaria is a dreadful disease if not treated properly. Uh, which agent is responsible for malaria? Plasmodium. What is plasmodium? Plasmodium is a tiny protozoan which is responsible for malaria. There are different forms of malaria or plasmodium. The uh, parasite protozoan, that is Plasmodium falciparum, is a big agent which is responsible for dreadful malaria. Plasmodium enters in the human body through the bite of infected female mosquito in the form of sporozoitis, infectious form. When the plasmodium enters in the human body, what it causes, it multiplies in the liver cells. After that, it ruptures RBCs, red blood corpuscles. When red blood corpuscles are ruptured, uh, hemozoin, a toxic substance, is released, which is responsible for dreadful malaria. In malaria, high fever and chill occurs. Malaria is a dreadful disease if not treated properly. Another big disease, that is amoebiasis, or it is called amoebic dysentery. Uh, which parasite is responsible? Uh, Entamoeba histolytica is a parasite which is responsible for amoebiasis, or it is called amoebic dysentery. This parasite, Entamoeba histolytica, enters in the large intestine of the humans and causes a disease that is called amoebiasis. What are the symptoms of the amoebiasis? Abdominal pain, constipation, uh, excess of mucus in stool, and blood clots. These are the symptoms of the amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery. Causative agent is protozoan, that is called Entamoeba histolytica. Parasite releases eggs, and such eggs are rich in food and different food products or in water. When healthy person gets these contaminated food and water, after that he gets a disease that is called amoebiasis or amoebiatic dysentery. Another disease, that is ascariasis. Ascariasis is another infectious disease. Causative agent or which is responsible for ascariasis. Common roundworm, that is called ascaris, and Wuchereria, filarial worm. These are responsible for a big disease that is called ascariasis. What are the symptoms of the ascariasis? There is internal bleeding, there is headache, there is fever, there is tiredness, and some other diseases. This is ascariasis. And the parasite releases eggs through feces. And when the healthy person gets such eggs through contaminated food items, and he is suffering from ascariasis. Chapter is not still completed. In the next topic, there will be different diseases. This is chapter class 12th, J.K. Bose, NCRT, Human Health and Diseases. This time, thanks. Have a great evening.